तेनू पहली पहली बार We call her designer Didi. बुआ जी मसाज कर रही है.
अंदर क्यों टच कर रही है?
टच ही तो कर रहा है. You know that it's such a struggle to find outfits when you're on the heavier side. He wants to one up me all the time. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Pravleen.
And I'm Rahul.
And in today's video, it's yet another wedding chaos video. Basically, everything that happened during the Akhand Path के last few days, then जितने भी dance practices हुए, इतना fun किया हमने dance practices के अंदर.
She also got invited to a L'Oreal event.
Where I met Shrimay and I actually spent the entire day with her. And I also had another Philips event that I went with her. Back to back एक ही दिन पे था actually वो. We've recently started meeting so many of our followers because of the wedding, which is insane.
Because of me.
And then I think all the fun parts of
Just kidding. Because of her.
I think the best part of the entire wedding was the pre-wedding like dance practices because उसमें हमने सबसे ज़्यादा मजे किए.
इतने मजे पूछो मत. It was so annoying.
And then you will also get to see how I got my mehndi outfit made from scratch. So it's going to be a really wholesome video. We really hope you guys enjoy watching. Isha is the one who
Isha
actually
Kothari made my mehndi outfit.
And she made my in-room mehndi outfit. Basically, we will see a lot of it in the video. So if this is the first time that you're seeing me, then please take a moment, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so every time we come online, you are notified. Without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Hi, today is day 3. This is my look. Today is the last day of the part. And this is basically a very cute outfit that I got from Nykaa Fashion. और मैंने ये चुन्नी पूरी ये कराई है, क्या बोलते हैं, चुन्नी मेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच बिकॉज मैंने इसको डाई करा के मतलब बेसिकली चुन्नी मंगवाई एंड देन मैंने इस पर लेस लगवाई है एंड इट्स गोइंग सो वेल विथ the work and I love it. It's 9 a.m. It's not even 9 a.m. and everyone's going to start coming now because bhog ka time is from 10:30 to 12:30. So yeah, I'm super excited. First function is about to get over, Nishtha.
Yeah, but still it's your first function. How do you feel?
Amazing.
लग नहीं रहा है मुंह से.
बंदी जो सोई है आज, सोई एक लाफा खाएगी. 1:30 बजे से जो सोई है अभी सीधा 9 बजे उठी है.
बहुत बार उठी हो.
रबिश, एक बार उठी नहीं है.
How do you know you were sleeping peacefully?
और ये मेरे साथ ट्वेन करी है गाइस. ये हर जगह मेरे शी वांट्स टू वन अप मी ऑल द टाइम.
मेरा संगीत आउटफिट देखना एकदम ब्राइट लगूंगी. And that's chosen by Praveen, by the way.
That is true. अभी भी देखो ट्विन कर रही है. इतने कपड़ों के अंदर इसको मेरा ही कलर मिला पहनने के लिए आज.
ऐसा ही है. ब्राइट लगनी.
पर सब आके पूछेंगे अरे ब्राइड ने ब्लू पहना है. और ये देखो ये बड़ा खुश हो रहा है.
कहना क्या चाहती हो?
I don't know why I always try the under eye wala kajal thing, but it does not look that good. And then this just brightens up my face. Function is over and after math. got a call कि मेरा संगीत का जो outfit है वो आ गया है and it's नीचे at the reception. So I'm waiting because I told the watchman uncle to put it in the lift so I can just receive it. It's literally, there's 20 days, not even 20 days actually, 23 days for me to be a bride. 23 days, oh my God. I literally have to make a compilation of every single time I've cried because I've seen the invitations I've cried, I've seen my outfits that I've cried. This is just the first outfit. It's so pretty. I'm such an ugly crier. Like, this looks so nice. And you know that it's such a struggle to find outfits when you're on the heavier side. But there are still brands that can make you feel so pretty. And this is an Anved Singh lehenga, and honestly, it's just so beautiful. With that, my first outfit is here. There are basically 3 more outfits to come. The reception outfit is not done yet, so it's not even a reception, it's basically my mom's friends get together. So the first outfit that we have is this. The second outfit we have is from Navneet Arpan, and that outfit is going to come in, I think, in 2 or 3 days. One outfit is going to be outfit from scratch, which I'm going to be wearing for my haldi. Wo outfit Isha is making from his in his boutique. And the wedding outfit is also going to be ready on the 11th. I am most excited to try my wedding outfit. And then I'm thinking कि मैं 11th को जब मिल रहे हैं सब outfits, उसी दिन जाके सबकी jewelry sort कर लूँ because that is going to take up most of my time. So that's the plan. They're quite comfortable. What I'm worried about is, do you think I should take it a little idhar because the cups are here, but then my bra is here, so I'll have to pull it up a little. Everyone's here for dance practice. बुआ जी मसाज कर रही है. फोटो एक मम्मी पहली बार बेटे उन्होंने फोटो लिया था ना. माही में होर मैनू की चाहिदा. So cute they are looking. ये बोले मैं नहीं खेल रही. Five, 6, 7, go. Next day, today is the 8th of October and we're going for giving invitations. So basically we have to give invitations to a few of our friends' houses and that is where we're going. Rahul is already waiting for me midway and I'm taking a rickshaw and going वहाँ पे and वहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं. Officially less than 3 weeks to go for the big day and we are going to Karan Kapil's house, they're not घर पे, but invitations are here. So yes, हम लोग यहाँ घर पे बैठे और अंकल आंटी घर पे थे. Hello. नहीं, this is also very nice है. वो stick किया हुआ है. देखा? नाविका दी
इसलिए बोल रहा था तभी दे देते.
चलो आ गए साथ में.
आजा एनुअल में तो खोल देते पहले. अंदर क्या वो देख ले. देखो मोहर में भी अपना नाम है, देख लो. ये जो घास है ना, ये प्रोटीन का फेवरेट है.
कंसंट्रेशन से पढ़ रहे हैं.
नहीं
तुम्हारे इधर नारियल ले जाता है, इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना.
नहीं, हम लोग हैदराबाद वाले हैं ना. थैंक यू सो मच.
अरे नहीं.
ये क्या है? चिकन बिरयानी स्पेशल. मैं
पब्लिक जरूरत है.
हाँ, प्रसाद है.
तो इससे अच्छा मैं
नहीं
जाऊँ.
तो आए तो कुछ नहीं देते, तो शक्कर देते हैं.
Today is the 9th of October and आज का एक ही दिन था जहाँ पे I already had an event which is Philips event जिसका campaign I done like a long time ago, but उसका stories were supposed to be done at the event, so I've taken the clothes for that. And Shrima is coming from Hyderabad and I'm going to meet her like after I think a month, directly after my bachelorette. So today I also got another event which is L'Oreal Paris's Diwali party, so that's why I'm dressed up like this. The theme was Indian with a hint of gold and I have hints of gold, and this is an outfit that I love so much. Like I'd worn this for Rahil's mehendi and I'd gotten so many compliments, so uske baad maine ye outfit kabhi pehna hi nahi hai, so I thought that I'll just wear it today. There are so many practices going on simultaneously. Rahul is going to buy me my iPhone 17. Well, I'm going to buy it, but he's going to purchase it from the store because I did not have time. So he's there, and then he's going to come back home. Dolly is already at my house, and she is taking my mom for one more location recce because there's one function which is only for my mom's friends, which is probably going to happen the next day after the wedding. And tabhi matlab. Like there are a lot of things जहाँ पे that function is going to be basically hosted by my friends because बाकी सब functions are hosted by the MC, and I'm actually very excited because now are the final calls happening. Like we are going to have the conversation with the MC. We're finalizing like what like stores to keep, like ऐसे stalls to keep for the functions. Tomorrow we have the food tasting. Like so many things are coming together and it's just so overwhelming, and that's why now it's I think 2:30. I have to reach the event by, I think I'll reach there by 3:45. I'm supposed to leave from there by 4:15, 4:30, and then we have to head to Bandra, and वहाँ से I have to come back home because today we have a dance practice in the evening for our friends. So yeah, that's pretty much the update. I literally am telling you कि the whole thing could not have been possible without my friends. Like I'm so fucking grateful for them because पूरा जो part का time था, like everything that was happening, it was them. Like they were the ones that were running it. They were the ones that were there at home living with us, you know, like cleaning, mopping, making sure that everyone, you know, was taken care of, everyone was hosted correctly, and they literally did everything. And like it's just, I feel more than the day, like of course we're very excited for the day, but then the entire process of, you know, all the practices, all the shopping, everything is so precious. And I literally was feeling like everyone should literally savor the process. Like everyone should make sure that they're doing it in the most like amazing mindset. They should wholeheartedly be present in the moment and just make sure that you're having the time of your life with all of your friends, because you're not going to get that again. Like your wedding is just going to be the highlight of your life. Like till date I don't remember सब लोग इतने ज़्यादा excited all together all at once कब आए, and this is the first time that it's happening. and it's just like a surreal experience. Like it's overwhelming because of course like my skin is going for a toss. Can you see? It's a सूज गया मेरा मुंह. यहाँ पे भी I got a lot of acne, and I did not get this acne since a while, and now that I have it, I'm like, why is this happening like 20 days before the wedding? But yeah, too many things happening, too overwhelming, stress prone. My blood reports also came in, and I have a lot of inflammation in my body, and I was really scared because I got tested HLA-B27 positive, which is basically a different kind of like a blood group, and we are prone to autoimmune diseases, and for me it's closer to, like my body has could say a way to get arthritis something which is autoimmune, and I don't really know why it happens in my body, but just randomly places in my body start paining, start hurting, cramps aane lag jate hain, and it's like unbearable pain. Like, so yeah, basically that's the update for now, and I'll see you guys in the evening at Dance Practice. Bandi is feeling cold.
What happened? The bag, the product.
The day has officially come to an end. It's 9 o'clock. We were supposed to reach here by 6, but we're late. Slow में difficult.
Next one is 1, 2, 3. Like a.
You can make a proper circle also. Once more. 1, 2, 3, go. Na 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 na. Ga na 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 na. Na 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 na. Happy birthday, dear Isha. Happy birthday to you. ईशा, तुझे तेरा प्रपोजल याद आ गया? तू उधर ही खड़ी है.
The next day.
Hi guys, today is the next day. It's the 10th. Literally every single day कुछ ना कुछ काम है. And आज का again is going to be a long day because now we're going to our wedding location for food tasting, and then उसके बाद we also have food tasting के बाद we have to go and get like outfits जो मैंने sarees और वो सब जो मैंने देखी थी. So वो मुझे जाके देखना है, and then शाम को we are celebrating Isha's birthday. Long day. Come along. I'll show you what all is happening. This is bhindi. This is one of their most like famous dishes, and then this is the subs kolhapuri. Everyone is loving it. गुड़ खाया?
हाँ बढ़िया.
सब चले गए और ये ठूसी जा रहा है.
एक बार खाया.
फिर हाँ, so then what you do is then combine it and then you get everyone. Yes. You get the cousins also. Yes. And then in the end they can go and only the cousins can dance.
On duty, on coffee duty, we have kept.
I think I've made some very good coffee. One person needs to be out there. Yeah.
Teacher is your teacher is your. Like so she's pointing like that.
That's me. लाफा खाएगी. चल.
मैं सिखाऊंगी उसके बाद ही करना है. Don't worry. ठीक है? अब ऊपर करो. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 2, 3, 4.
This is the first time I'm doing Q switch. और मेरा फेस एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई लग रहा है मुझे.
Acne
टाइट. हाँ.
तो ड्राई. ऑयलनेस आपकी थोड़ी कम है.
I just got done. My face is like, it's not swollen, but I do feel lot better. और उन्होंने मुझे एक रिकवरी क्रीम भी दी हुई है. और अभी मैं एक कार की लिफ्ट में हूँ. This is literally like the first time that I'm in a car lift. But yeah, अभी मैं जा रही हूँ ईशा के वहाँ. I did not even, it literally was expensive. Like to take care of yourself is so expensive. May that be like eating clean, may that be going to the gym. I'm like, why is this difficult? It should not be. और मेरे यहाँ पे just like I did like 3 things. I did an acne peel, I did cleanup, and I did Q switch, something like that. And then that itself was like 15,000 rupees, and then 5,000 was just consultation with the doctor, which is Dr. Rashmi Shetty. And then uske upar se I got like more medicine, so that medicine was like 5,500 rupees. So basically like 25,000 ka kharcha ho chuka hai mujhe already. That outfit for myself, it's so pretty. Say hi to my vlog. Got some roses for Isha.
अरे वाह,
And it's all the way to there.
Then after heartbreak, he come crying to us.
I got that for Rahul as a surprise.
It's very good, very good.
How is it? How is it? Shri? How is it?
Nothing beats my muffin.
सूरज को कुछ भी खिला लो उसको अच्छे लगते हैं. अरे इट्स अ डोनट, उसको बहुत पसंद है.
You had ham no?
बाबू को कितना सा मिला. क्यूटी. Bye girls. See Dolly saying save me. Bye girls. Aditi please अच्छे से drive करना.
भाई ये वीडियो ले लो, कल पहले बोल रहा एयर बैग आगे 2 के पास ही है. आप वीडियो ले लो अभी.
I met a few of my followers and they work here at the blush salon and they've invited me, so I'm going to go soon.
कॉइन खिलाई खाएगा.
डॉली नहीं अरे ठीक है यार, कोई बात नहीं. चले क्या करूं?
Happy birthday to you. All the bridesmaid hampers are ready. I just have to write my letters and put in each one of them, and then we also have a bottle from Nexus that we have to add in this, and then we are going to be sorted. ये लेंगे यार. जाने क्या हुआ है दिल जिया बेकरार, धड़के आंखों में. नहीं ऐसे.
इतना दूर का नहीं मानो, ऊपर से कर दो.
नहीं.
मत कर. हाँ ठीक है. अंदर क्यों टच क्यों कर रही है?
टच ही तो कर रहा है.
मुझसे शादी करो.
हाँ ऐसे कुछ करते हैं यार, ये करते
रात
हो.
को हम भी कर सकते हैं. रात को आऊंगा मैं, तुझे ले जाऊंगा मैं,
मुझसे शादी करोगे अच्छा है.
सैर कराऊंगा, चोरी से आना, चुपके से जाना, अच्छी
नहीं.
नहीं दिल लगी, मुझसे शादी
ये नहीं,
करो.
सलमान खान वाला मुझसे शादी करोगी.
बट ये वाला ज्यादा अच्छा है.
ये वाला ज्यादा अच्छा है.
पर सलमान खान वाला वाइब मजा आता है यार.
उसके तो सॉन्ग भी
वो कहने लेके बोल रहे सलमान खान.
नहीं, मुझसे शादी करोगी.
यही है. अच्छा,
मुझसे शादी
हाँ,
करोगी. मजा आएगा ब्रो. ऐसा मतलब लोगों का दिल जॉली हो जाता है ना.
ये तेरा जॉली हो रहा है क्योंकि तुझे आते हैं, जो तुझे नहीं आते वो हम लोग को आते हैं.
तो सुनना चाहिए ना डांस करने के लिए.
तो सीख ले गाने. बोला तो देखो उसको हम साथ साथ बिठा के दिखा रहा है. अभी तो मेरे साथ में 2 डांसेस करेगा. 2 होल परफॉर्मेंसेस.
नहीं मैं नहीं करता.
मेहंदी भी करेगा. देखा तेनू पहली बार में. ये
अबे इतना याद नहीं रहेगा यार.
सिर्फ मैं होने
नहीं.
लगा दिल बेकरार में.
हाँ उनको सुनना है मुझसे शादी करोगी.
जानम
हाँ,
समझा
ऐसा
कर,
कर.
जानम समझा कर.
वो मस्ती. सल्लू भाई के जो मस्ती खोर सॉन्ग है ना वैसा करते हैं.
तो अच्छा वो तो व्हाट्स मोबाइल नंबर है. मुझे पता है ना.
हाँ वो पता है बट गोविंदा ऐसा
कहाँ
नहीं
से तू आता है
सलमान
जाने
खान।
कहाँ से तू जाता है आते जाते ऐसे क्यों दिल को तड़पाता है आय हाय What is mobile number? What is your
ये मुझे लगता
कोई मायने में लगा था
अरे कब तक
जवानी छुपाओ
ये this is the last song. If we don't want this will be fun. लेके ना हार लेके ना मुझे बना दे. Alright.
हार नहीं संगीत
अरे मतलब ऐसे चुनने जैसा कुछ.
रात में एक टर्न ड्राइवर हो जाते हैं ना
पहले तो नहीं होती 1 2 3 4 हाथ घुमाया शोल्डर 1 2
आउटफिट लेके आई है मेरी.
भाई
देखते हैं ईशा ने क्या बनाया है.
कौन ईशा
Very nice, yeah. She's happy, bro. She's happy. Successful.
कितना दिन हुआ स्टार्ट टू एंड
Very nice, yeah.
Taylor and three Taylor and three to three cars.
But do you think it's too
अभी लिसन अगेन यू हैव टू डू इट फॉर मी
No, wear it over the heels रहेगा ना.
मेरे लिए
वो
भी
पीछे
करना
से
है।
उठेगा
और
जब
आपको
तू पहनेगी ना.
You have to make it start to end.
Loved it, loved it. Good job, Isha. I'm going to give you more business.
Oh yeah. If you're gonna tag the brand, then it's gonna go crazy.
उसमें there's a nada also, so that if you want to adjust थोड़ा भी
और फ्रंट पे पर इसके ऊपर का क्या है आएगा
तब आएगा.
One step at a time. Very nice. Very nice.
It's also comfortable.
Very comfortable. It's very light also.
So this is made for
हल्दी.
हल्दी
देख हल्दी में इतना हेवी पहन रही है भाई
Now
तेरी
I
बंदी.
just feel I might just change and wear it to my when I'm putting my makeup. Very beautiful.
She is our designer for this.
Take straight also na.
We call her designer Didi.
दुमदार. गलत जा रहा है ये भी वो साइड है.
Thank you so much for watching guys. We really hope you liked the video and enjoyed it.
If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up.
Please.
Subscribe to our channel.
Big fat
and we
thumbs
will
up.
see you guys next time in another vlog. Bye.